Fefdy.
Man-made materials.
Let me ask you one more question. Where do you keep your pencils and erasers?
Pencil box?
Do you know what this is made of?
Oh. Sorry, Auntie. I do not know what it is made of. Can you tell me?
This is made of plastic.
Plastic is a man-made material. It is strong, flexible.
Seems like it is a very useful material, Auntie.
However, Econ, you should also remember that plastic does not break down easily and can harm the environment. You should try to reduce your use of plastic and recycle it whenever possible.
Sure, Auntie. We can use cloth bags instead of the thin plastic bags.
I hope you understand the importance of materials.
Now let's learn all about Earth's hidden wealth or treasures. Metals, rocks, clay, glass, wood, paper, cloth, rubber.
Yes, Auntie, I will surely develop a habit of conserving natural and man-made resources to the best of my ability.
Thank you, nature, for the materials, the earth's hidden wealth that contribute to our comfort and well being.
The 21st of March is known as World Wood Day. It is a cultural event celebrated every year to highlight wood as an eco-friendly and renewable resource.